Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A33, and I'll show you how to turn off always on display feature on this device. So first you should open the Movies Edge application, and after that just click here into the settings section, tap on the always on display and click once on the switcher near the AOD, and now as can you see that all of the options they are blocked. This means that we'll just turn off the AOD, and just when we'll lock the device you can see also that we just successfully turn off always on display feature on our Galaxy smartphone. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.